Okay, before we go further, gusto lang namin ulit kayo kumisahin. Okay ba kayo? I-enjoy pa kayo dyan? Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Once again, salamat sa inyo lahat. Not for you, wala kami dito. Thank you so much for the time. Alam ko meron sa inyo, simula 7 AM pa lang dito na. So, for all your energy tonight, thank you so much. You guys rock. We love you. Thank you. So, this next song we're gonna be it's actually our dad's last song that he made. And he shares it with someone from this industry. They don't only share the legend status, they share the love for music, but also they share a certain disease. So, they had this disease, they wrote this song, they made this song to collaborate to hear the song. And that man who created the song is none other than Eddie Buendia. So shout out to Mr. Eddie. Thank you Sir Eddie. The song is about battling a disease. It's called Gigante. Ang kondisyon na ang balik.
Baka may mag-order ng fries
sa kanya. Maliliit na tulad namin, sinasaktan mo.